how to make a bookmark app on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Visnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can make a bookmark app on iPhone. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, simply open up Safari and head into the particular web page that you would like to. Now here in my case, I'm on google.com, as you can see. So suppose you want to create a bookmark app for Facebook or YouTube, you can head into facebook.com, youtube.com or such. Then once you're on the particular page, what you can do is tap on the share option at the bottom of your screen. Once you tap on share icon, this pop-up will come up. Scroll down at the bottom to the below, and then you can see add to home screen option. Tap on it and you can see you can rename it. Now suppose you want to rename the bookmark as Google or any other thing. So once you have renamed it, then you can tap on add, and now you can see the bookmark app. Now you can see Google Chrome app and you can see Google app. Now this is not the app, instead this is a bookmark that will lead you to this particular web page on your Safari. So you can tap and hold on it, and you can either edit, that is, you can edit your home screen, or you can delete the particular bookmark as well. So this is how you can easily make a bookmark app on iPhone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.